which can turn your Android app features to iOS features, which is very interesting, and I can't hide this app, or I can't keep it alone. So I want to share this app with you so that you can also use it only if you are interested. So let me show you something here. Here is my apps. You see, here is my apps. It contains the iOS features, every features of the iOS. I'm using the Android phone, but I have the iOS features. I have the iOS features here, so you can also check it cool for yourself. Yes, I'm using Android phone, but since I'm using the iPhone, I'm not using the iPhone. It is the app that has turned my or convert my apps features into iOS. Let me quickly show you here. But please, before I show you this, if you are really interested in making money online through affiliate marketing, know how to create ebook, know how to create or design your own content like graphic design with your mobile phone, know how to create or learn websites, know how to create e-commerce platform like Gigi, Kiku, and others, and other platforms which they buy and sell. I will leave the link in the video description below so that when you click on it, you also learn something good for yourself, because learning a skills is very important in human life. Nobody can take away your skills from you. Okay, let me take you through the app. Yes, here is the app. Here is the app. The app name is iOS 15. iOS 15. Yes, iOS 15. See, I have installed the app. And I'm using it on my phone. iOS 15. iOS 15. Yes. So come to Play Store and search for iOS 15. You see the app. That's what I showed you, and install on your phone. Just a simple step. Then all your apps on your phone will change to iOS function, or will change to iOS features. So this is what I want to share with you this evening. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Bye bye.